Now this is again, beautifully spec'd, unbelievably good looking car, but also it's been maintained beautifully as well. Land Rover Discovery, first edition. Basically what a first edition means is it's got everything. So what Land Rover do, when they produce a car, they do a first edition, so they shot all the extras on, where this car's got over and above. It looks outstanding. It's in Namib orange, which is a stunning, beautiful, metallic orange, so it's got that wow factor, it's got that massive presence about it. It's got a black pack, so it's got the full badging, the grille, the inserts, 3 litre diesel, 7-seater, first edition, with only 25,000 miles. That is the other key thing with this car. Great mileage, just been serviced at Land Rover 2 or 3 days ago, and just MOT'd. And I bought this car off a guy, and he was a gentleman, and he's just had it into Land Rover, and he's just had it serviced, and he's just had it MOT'd. That is really important. So, with the first edition, you get the right wheels, so it's got them beautiful 22s, gloss black, unmarked, beautiful condition. And what he's done is, if you look at these arches here, they're normally plastic, but he's had them painted gloss black, so it runs all the way around the arches, all the way along the bottoms of the doors, and then round the back as well, which just, it's something which he's paid for extra, but it just transforms the look of the car, where normally there would be plastic. Black roof rails, privacy glass on the back, it's got the side steps, it's got, it's got everything. And when I move on inside and show you, with it being a first edition, you get all the extras inside as well, and a massive extra in the rear. It's all keyless entry, so we walk to the car, and it opens. Now then, if you look here, it says Meridian surround, so that's the upgraded surround system. You've got memory seats, and you get this beautiful leather with a white stitching, which is, and if you look, it's got little dots in the leather. So what that tells you, that the seats are cooled as well. So it's got heated seats, it's got cooled seats, and it's got a heated steering wheel. So it just gives you that luxury. I'll talk about more spec in a minute, but look at this. Service history. Land Rover, and then just been serviced 4th of March at 25,749 miles. The car's covered 25,829 miles. So the service is beautiful service history. It's all keyless start. And then other extras I'm just going to quickly show you. We've mentioned the heated steering wheel. It's not just your everyday reverse camera, you've got a 360-degree camera, top view camera. I've gone into the seats, it's not just heated, it's cooled as well, for driver and for passenger. Roof, it's not just a fixed glass roof, it's a sliding panoramic sunroof. It's just got everything. The interior, if you look here, this is all extra. It's got leather with a white stitching, and then this extra finish there, just to add to the car and add to the luxury element. You've then got everything else. So you've got your navigation, you've got your touch screen, you've got your in-control apps, you've got Apple CarPlay, and then, as you can see in that top left corner, another massive extra, it's got rear media, which I'm going to show you now. So we move in the back, and you can see you've got full Land Rover factory rear entertainment with the headphones, rear heated seats, rear digital climate control. That is a great extra. Now, we're putting this car up for £41,990. That car is just short of £80,000 new. So it's what? Just over half price with only 25,000 miles, but it's got everything. Rear entertainment. You've got your extra 7 seats in the back. They are all electronically adjustable, as you can see here. I'll just drop this down. That's electric. That drops down, and then you can adjust all your seats. You can drop these. You've got your parcel shelf there. So the car, and with it having that black pack, that runs all the way around. So you've got the badging, the inserts in black, the LED sweeping lights. It's got the car's got everything. I've tried to cover as much as I can. Quick thing I've just noticed, if you look here on the mirror, you've got that little yellow sensor there. So that's your blind spot monitor. So if you're about to pull out at a junction it will alert you and it'll beep if there was someone coming in your blind spot. You've got adaptive automatic LED headlights at the front. Again, just all the things, it's got everything on it, and it represents, for me, unbelievable value for money, and it's only done 25,000 miles. That is the big thing with this car. It looks right, it's got massive presence about it with it being that colour, and it won't last long. It's hitting the website now. My number's on the bottom of the screen if you want to call me direct. I can answer any questions, but that car doesn't need much selling. It sells itself.